buhay ko sa bagong paraiso. Mapabuman ang mundo, ako'y sa'yo buong puso. Hanggang sa dulo, I do. Siyempre choose. Wala nang pagyang
Manila, give it up for Jonah!
Thank you!
So beautiful. Wow, what a great job.
Thank you so much, Nick, Drew, Justin, and Jeff. Thank you for having me, and the whole 98 Degrees team. And of course to all of you, thank you for supporting 98 Degrees here in Manila.
You guys haven't got enough of Jonah yet today, have you? Oh, no. We need to let you go do some more. We're gonna step up. You do your thing.
Once again, everybody.